Hi everyone, welcome back to Jenny Island Vibe. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. And today's video, we are making some plantain mash. Without further ado, let's get started. And these are the tools and ingredients that I will be using. Plantain, your mash or potato mash, onion, I'm using unsalted butter. The first thing that I'm going to do is cut it into 3 pieces and remove the skin off. If you are enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Remember to check the description box below for all the ingredients that I use for today's recipe. Now that the water come to a boil, I'm adding some lime juice to prevent the plantain from changing the color. I'm going to let it boil for 20 minutes or until it's nice and soft. And please do not throw away the remainder of the water because you will need it. Now I'm adding the butter and some more liquid. If you want it to be on the creamier side, go ahead and add as you desire. I am going to set aside and quickly saute some onion and some parsley for garnishing. Thank you, everyone, for your precious time. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. We'll see you next time on Jenny Island Vibe. Bye-bye.